See? I'm glad that these are the only, even if it's a fake shoe, I'm glad you've never chewed any of my shoes. I don't even think you've chewed anything. Flip flop. I'm saying that you did eat the couch, but you were a puppy, and I think it was because it was slightly had a rip in it. But other than that, I think you, again, when you were a puppy, I don't know what it is with the sofas that. I just suppose it's stuffed. So is it a bit like a stuffed ant like toy that you get? Were you looking for the squeaker in the